So I give you a joke about Lisa.
There's something special about your love. I think it's one of a kind.
Alright guys, so we haven't picked up camera all day because we were traveling around Poinciana. Poinciana is an area south of already where we currently live in Davenport. It's like southeast or southeast kind of.
Slightly.
Situated from where we are currently, but it's an area that Dan really likes and is always telling me that we should like explore a little more. So I wanted to see, because I've seen some homes. Why are you laughing?
Because you convince yourself that I love down there, and I'm always like, no.
He's saying that you can
down there.
Yeah, he'd consider there because
you can get a nice big house there for the money.
Exactly. So that's what he's kind of telling me to like open my eyes to it. So I'm trying to give it a chance and look, right? Area is developed. Like it has a pretty good Caribbean presence. I have a Bravo, like it had the best Caribbean, best Jamaican
one of the better
section.
Ones that I've seen up here.
I think it is. I'm gonna say it's one of the best ones because there was even like ram it up, and if you cook, you know what ram it up is. I was pleasantly surprised by some of the things they had. They didn't have some things. It is what it is. But I was just happy to find like plazas that were situated, roads that had big roads. It's where we were today specifically had a lot of Toni Morrison communities. So like Bellagio's over there. So if you've kind of been in that area, you kind of know how it is. But it was really nice. So we headed back towards us, and I wanted to pick up some meat from Publix. And I'm telling you this because I think this is what I'm feeling about the burn of inflation and the economy kind of changing, is the fact that you have your mindset for something to eat, but the prices are telling you no, you can't eat that. Okay, so I had my mindset on making oxtail Pelau, right? Pelau is something that in Jamaica, and correct me if I'm wrong, we don't really have that in our cuisine. We have something like seasoned rice, which is like saltfish and pumpkin in like rice, but to my knowledge we don't have anything like that. So yeah, I had my mind set on this Pelau, right? But I really wanted to try this oxtail variation. So I was like set for the last 2 weeks. I've been like, yo, I want to buy this oxtail, I want to make this. But the oxtail was $11.99 a pound. So I had to switch up my dinner plans and switch out for short ribs for $7.99 a pound. And now we're going to be doing short ribs, and I'm still not sure if I'm going to do like, maybe I should do like a short rib Pelau. Or should I just do short ribs, braised short ribs with some mashed potatoes, stuff like that. So I'm gonna talk to Dan about that. But like I said, I was super excited to try the oxtail version of it, but it was just too expensive. I was thinking about buying the oxtail at Bravo, but I never looked at the price because I was like, oh, we're gonna go to Restaurant Depot and I'll pick it up there. But when I saw the price at Publix, I was like, nah, you tripping. I'll keep updating you, but it don't look like it's gonna be no oxtail Pelau tonight. Holla at me if you know in Central Florida I can get some good safe meat that's less than $10.99 or like $10.99. I'll do like a $10.99, $9.99 for sure for oxtail, but not no $11.99. They tripping. That is not for me. Like, they need to come back another day with that one. That's all I gotta say.
What's up, guys? So you're on the road with the boys right now. We're trying to give Lisa just some time away from both of us right now and take care of some errands. We had some returns to do over here at Target, so we're over here. So let's hit the store. You're riding out with me and Kellan. So not doing any real big shopping or anything like that. And just going to kind of do the returns. Maybe ask Lisa if there's anything we need. And if we see anything interesting worth showing you guys, we will share with you. Of course, when we first walk into the store, we're going to get into their little bargain section. I don't know what they call it, bullseyes, something, I don't know. But if we see anything cool, I'll let you know. So there is a spot right there. All the teachers love to check that out, and we like to see if there's any little trinkets or anything like that. Some stuff that might be left over from the holidays to can put up. First, we're gonna take care of some returns, some stuff that we had tried online, and then we might take a look over there. You guys get to skip the boring part. I'll let you guys know what's up after we're done with the returns. So I will share this one thing with you guys. I am doing the returns for Lisa, but Lisa didn't warn me that this was going to happen. So because she ordered this stuff online and it's like a big return, she try sizes and stuff like that. It asks you individually by item what is the reason for the return. Put it this way, these 2 bags full of things and each one is a clothing item, and like I said, it's the poor employee has to scan and wait for me to respond to each one and put either change mine or those things. It has all these options, but it doesn't ask you at the end. It asks you from individual items, so I have to keep hitting for each one. No, it's pretty legitimate data to have, it gives you all of those options, but yeah, this is a bit tedious. Alright, and just that quickly, we are done with the returns, so I'm just gonna check out Bullseye's, whatever they want to call it, spot, correct, whatever it is. It's kind of like, not necessarily a clearance area, but the little sales area at the front. I'm gonna check out that, and I'm gonna call Lisa real quick, ask her if there's anything that she needs in Target, and then otherwise we're out of here. Don't know if you guys caught that, but that was kind of funny. Alright, so this is gonna get meta for Lisa if she's editing. Yeah, I just read your message. Alright, so we've taken care of requests from Lisa, and we've gotten just 2 items we need. Potatoes, I guess for dinner, and the cotton buds, which P36 is where it is. The good thing is, and Lisa loves this about Target, online you can kind of check by store and it will tell you where it is supposed to be. I'm always reluctant to those things because when it starts to get down to low numbers, and I just rather just ask somebody. I'm an old head like that. As millennials age into where boomers and Gen X is now, I'm just I rather ask a worker, but it is convenient to be able to just look online and figure out where an item is. Yeah, I know, we're gonna look now. So me and my man is just gonna take a quick spin around the store. Hopefully it doesn't take that long. Anyway, let's go. Uh-oh, we are being called right now. Hello? Alright. Okay. Soon come. So I gave you a joke about Lisa. So ever so often I try to be intuitive, and I'm going to be honest, I don't give her enough time. By the way, I'm representing for Target while in Target here. This is part of the Black History stuff. Besides the fact that I'm bumming it and I desperately need a head shave. Represent. Whenever I leave Lisa at home by herself and I take Kellan, I'm like, yeah, I'll take Kellan. We'll go on the road or whatever. It takes maybe about 20-25 minutes. Now in this case, to be fair to her, she's asking because she needs something, but Lisa will start like finding reasons to call us, because even though she needs the time away from us, she's so not used to it that she would just start finding reasons to link us and call us and whatever, and in the little bit of time away from us, she'll be like, oh, I miss you guys. I don't know what she would do if she went away for a weekend. It would be kind of crazy. Hopefully we'll find out, because me and one of her close friends is trying to plan something for her to do a little getaway and thing. But more details about that when we actually get through. Most of this stuff used to be like $3, like $1, $2, something like that. Now it's like $3, $5, which makes it a little pricey to buy stuff, but it is what it is. They have little arts and crafts stuff here. The stuff you can grab around here. Some kind of face and body ice roller. I'm not gonna pretend that I know what that's about, but I guess with my kind of new foray into what I'm doing, I should actually consider doing that. You know what? This should be like $1 or $2. It's $3. Now I know it sounds like I'm nitpicking over $1, but man, inflation is crazy, bro. But this is for the other channel, so. Because before you know it, you pick up 4 or 5 things in here and at $3 a pop. You know what I'm saying? 5 things, you're already up there spending $15, $20, and you're like, where's all my money going? You know what? I'm going to run to the men's section. Where my license? So I had one job, which was to remember where this thing is. To be fair though, I'm not really seeing the tags that say what aisle in. Anyway, I just remember it's supposed to be P36, I want to say. Let's see how good the memory is. Is it that? Let's look back at what I said earlier. Look at that. I haven't totally lost it. Now to find it, it's another thing. Alright, now time to do some maths. So this is the Target version, which seems to be shaped the same way. This is 100 for $1.89. This is $6 from Johnson & Johnson, and it's 185. So yeah, Johnson & Johnson. I don't know about that. Seeing as how that's more and still spending less, I think we'll go with the Target here. Target wins. So we got one of the items down, one more to go, and I've just so happened to find the men's section, so let's just quick and take a look.
All gone.
I don't really need anything, and Target used to carry Massimo. That used to be my brand. Goodfellas, I will say, Goodfellow is pretty decent. I'm not going to knock Goodfellow. It looked like that was their direct replacement for the Massimo. I liked Massimo a little bit better, but there are some Goodfella stuff that I will pick up and rock. How much for this? $6, $7? $7? For like a whole shirt, man, no? Yeah, why not? Alright, one last call to Lisa. And let's get up out of here. Alright, so real quick. So this is where I cuss you now, Target. I praise you when you should be praised, but this right here is kind of ridiculous. In the men's section, there's some clearance section in the Goodfellas stuff, right? 30 to 70% off. Decent looking shirt. You're like, okay, something that can throw on, go to the store in when it's cold and something like that. And it has a clearance tag on it. So you're saying, oh, clearance, how much is this shirt? It is now $19.59. So it is $20 now, coming down from $27. Let's be realistic, bro. This shirt should have maybe been $22. It should be maybe $15 on clearance now, even $12 on clearance now. $19. I just don't feel like that is really clearance price. I feel like that is coming down from an inflation price to a reasonable price. That should have been the full price. Like, yo, listen, I'm not one of these brand whores or one of these people that have to wear name brand only. But let's be real. While the quality is there, Target, it is still just Target brand. Nothing wrong with that. Not saying I won't wear it. But then don't charge me these premium prices. $30? Come on, bro. You're coming down from $30 to $20. $20 is finally a reasonable price. So then don't slap a clearance on that. Again, inflation and Target, do better. Do better. I'm going to show you something. I've been into buying these because I've been taking some of the more complicated flavors to work as a snack for my 12 hours. And I buy Kellan these, obviously. But these, Happy Family. Okay, good stuff. They're made of organics. $169. $169. I saw one for $189 here. Okay, you have, you know, again, it's organic, but am I paying because you guys went and got licensing from Sesame Street? Because literally at Aldi's, I'm getting these for 89 cents, and I'm saying, oh, them pricey, you buy 4 of them, you done gone $4 or $5, but that's literally double the price. Literally double the price. 179, and again they are like 89 cents at Aldi's, and they're organic same way, so it's not like a difference between organic and natural or something like that. And also to us consumers, shop smarter. Not knocking Target. Target is great. I know, you know, Target is the Beyonce of stores to certain people. If you're shopping in one place, you are being overcharged for something you're buying. Shop around. I will admit this. So the big picnic in me, or the big kid in me, if you need the translation, is looking forward to when Kellan gets more into toys and I can take him into the toy section and shop for toys with him, because like I said, I'm a big picnic at heart. So I look forward to that. Alright, let's find these potatoes. Let me try not to be the most stereotypical nurse ever and try not to get enticed too much by the wine section, but it didn't help that I turned down the wine aisle and I'm looking over you guys to see if they have anything. What might save me is that these are Target prices, and Target has a pretty good selection of wine, but not an exceptional pricing for wine. I will say they try to be competitive, but I wouldn't say like, oh, Target is a spot that I run to buy wines. We'd pick up a bottle of something, you know, just to have for dinner. But we probably have something at home, so I'm gonna save the money unless I really see a deal on something or something that can catch my eye. This is pretty interesting, and it is barrel aged. It is a red blend, but Lisa really likes Robert Mondavi, and I can't knock them. I like them too. This is okay for Bogle. This is pretty decent for Bogle. And 19 grams, that's a pretty good price for that. Okay, so the other day we got one of these. This one is decent, but they make another one that is, here it is. This is enough to get me to pick it up. We really enjoyed this cherry moscato. I haven't been able to find it, so I found my culprit. You got me. You got me. Alright, no more wines. That's it. And as I said that, I'm looking over you guys looking for more. But I will say, not bad Target, not bad. Good decent selection of like your lower end wines, cheaper stuff. Black Girl Magic, Riesling. If you're looking to support bubbly. How much are these? I hate when they don't have the price on stuff, you know. You know what, we'll pick up one of these for Lisa just because. Okay, without further ado, let's get the potatoes and finally get home before I get the phone call. I'd rather at least be outside or on the way when I get the phone call of like, when are they? So this is good labeling. This just drew me to pick it up. Don't know anything about it. I will give it my idiot test. Passes the idiot test. Some people don't like Cabernet Sauvignons. I do. Maybe next time. Kellan has been exceptional on this trip. Deserves a little bit of a treat. The man is just chilling. Officially scrapped the idea of stopping anywhere else. I spent way too much time in Target.
You ever cook and you just feel like, I don't know what I'm doing? It's one of those nights. I am making some short ribs. Like I told you earlier, I wanted to make oxtail Pelau. That didn't happen because it was too expensive. It's a short rib. It's already been seared. This is the reduction that I'm doing. Braising with some red wine. What's in here already is celery, carrots, onions, red wine. I'm going to go ahead and add the ribs back into the reduction and then coat it a little, but I'm gonna put it in the Instapot. Yo, I saw some groceries I need to wipe down. I want to have a cocktail. So all that stuff is happening. We don't got time to be sitting in front of no pot for no 2 hours or even set up pot for 2 hours. So I'm going to put it in the Instapot and I'll keep updating and tell you how it goes. But like I said, I'm not going to pretend like I'm an expert. This is what we're doing. I had to call my daddy and ask my daddy how he does it. Because I don't know. So we're just kind of experimenting tonight. Yeah. This is the short rib that's been in here for 8 minutes. Nice and cooked down. Now we're gonna finish it in the pot. meat is not like falling off the bone like I want it to, so I'm gonna do another 17 minutes is what I said. We'll see. I don't want it to be mash up, but then I don't want it to be tough. So yeah, let's see. Like I said, I'm winging it. So I'm actually putting it in the oven like this. It's kind of falling off the bone already, but I want the edges to be a little crispy. I still have this broth that I'm gonna cook down a little more.
You will always be my inspiration.